All right, so I used to live in this neighborhood, and I just got a house over here, so we're gonna go to an old stomping ground of mine where I kind of started off bass fishing, kind of. So right now I'm gonna go after some crappie, but we'll see what happens. I'll try it without the bobber because it's too low. I don't really need the bobber. Bobber off. We'll see what happens. Just a jig head.
Round one, fight!
Oh, instant. Nice. Ah, yeah, that's a nice bass. Yes, sir, every time. I told you it was a nice little spot here. Back in GC. If you know, you know. Oh, shit. Not bad. I was kind of bummed out because I didn't wake up to go fish today. Because I'm going to go tomorrow anyways. With my dad and sister's godparents. Yeah, it's a nice little 1-2 pounder, I don't know. Healthy, buddy. Not too bad. All right, let him go. There's a lot of rocks right here. I don't want to just toss them. I'll be all right. Nice. Only been here like 5 minutes. Oh, shit, right in the grass. Not bad. Wish I had a smaller size reel. Just overkill. But it was fun. Yeah, that was instant. It was right on the edge, next to that little brush pile. Tighten up this little. Should be good enough. That's better. Another one.
Round two.
Let's go. Let's go, baby. 2 for 2. Back at it. It's been a while, man. I needed this. Got a new house. Back in the old neighborhood. GC, baby. Oh yeah, they're in there. That's a hole right there for sure. I think I'm done here for today. I'm gonna hit up that hot spot one more time and I'm out of here.
Round three.
There we go. Another one. Oh, he let it go. Son of a bitch. I'm gonna get him to watch. Yeah, they hear that sound, they go straight to it. Come on. You're mine, come on. I'm gonna come back with a tandem rig. All right, I'm gonna try that again. So I accidentally threw it all the way straight up and it went back down and made like that. Bloop. That one. And that's when he hit it like.
Round 4.
There you go. It worked. It worked. Oh yeah, boy, yeah. Woo. There you go. See that? They're getting bigger too. This one's like a 2-pounder, solid 2-pounder, maybe 3. Yes, sir. Oh man, you know what? I didn't bring my my dang pliers. So I usually rip them right on the lip, man. I don't really try to let them eat or swallow the bait, but it's really not up to you sometimes. Hold on, give me a second. Put this bad boy down. Can't believe it worked. Sorry, guys. Sorry, guy. All right, he's fine. No blood, just caught him a little bit on the outside of his, like upper, I don't know what you call it, roof of his mouth. Anyways.
Finish him!
Oh. Ooh. Well, that wasn't how I was gonna let him go, but I got me a little honey hole. Well, I still got me a honey hole. If you know, you know.
Flawless victory.